Today we're diving into an epic battle between two powerhouse layer 1 blockchains, Solana and SUI. Which one has the potential to 10x faster in 2025, making you more money? So stay tuned for a head-to-head comparison that you won't want to miss. I'm going to break down everything you need to know from the technology to tokenomics, and by the end of this video, I'm not only going to reveal my price prediction for the winner for both projects, but also share which one I'm buying right now. So before we dive into this video, a quick disclaimer: none of what I say is financial advice. These videos are purely for information, educational purposes only, to help you do your own research. So always consult with a registered financial advisor, because if I'm telling you that I'm buying something, that doesn't mean that you should, because crypto is very risky. You could lose money in these markets, and any price predictions or projections are purely for example purposes only, because I personally make no guarantees of any profit or gains whatsoever. Even though there are thousands of people around the world making money in crypto, legally, I can't guarantee that you're going to make anything. But you're a full-grown educated adult and you understand the possibilities of crypto, and you also understand the risks as well too that we're going to outline in this video. So if you appreciate straightforward disclaimers like this without me BSing you or just hyping you up, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So first, let's dive into what is Solana. Solana was created by Anatoly Yakovenko, a former senior staff engineer and engineering manager at Qualcomm, where he worked for over 12 years. And Yakovenko developed the core concept of Solana, introducing the unique proof of history mechanism back in 2017 to address blockchain scalability issues. And he published the initial white paper for Solana and later co-founded Solana Labs in 2018 with Greg Fitzgerald and Stefan Ackridge, both of whom contributed significantly to the development and implementation of the Solana blockchain. And Solana is a layer 1 blockchain designed to provide fast, secure, and scalable solutions for decentralized applications and crypto transactions. It aims to solve the common issues faced by other blockchains, such as low transaction speed, high fees, by using a unique combination of proof of history and also proof of stake. Now, proof of history is not a standalone consensus mechanism, but a cryptographic clock used to timestamp and order events before they are introduced in a block. And it allows Solana to create a historical record that proves an event occurred at a specific moment in time, adding a layer of timing and ordering two transactions. Now, this makes it easier to verify the sequence of events without nodes having to communicate with each other continuously. And this allows Solana to be known for its blazing fast speed compared to other blockchains like Ethereum with block times of just 400 milliseconds. It's designed for rapid processing, allowing applications to deliver real-time experiences without delays. And each transaction uses as much energy as just a few Google searches, resulting in an environmentally friendly blockchain with zero net carbon impact. Solana supports a wide range of decentralized applications, DeFi projects, and NFTs, making it a popular platform for developers to build on. And overall, Solana aims to be a go-to blockchain for high-frequency, low-cost applications, positioning itself as a strong competitor to Ethereum and other layer 1 blockchains. And so this is why people coin Solana as the Ethereum killer for this bull run, and it has significantly outperformed Ethereum, positioning itself as one of the top layer 1 blockchains. Now, what is SUI? How does it compare to Solana, and which blockchain is better? Well, SUI was developed by Mistin Labs, a company founded by former senior executives and researchers from Meta's blockchain project, Diem. Now, as you guys know, Meta was formerly known as Facebook, and so the team includes experts like Evan Cheng, George Denizes, Sam Blackshear, and Avery Ching, who have extensive backgrounds in cryptography, programming languages, and distributed systems. And leveraging their experience, they launched SUI as a next-generation blockchain designed to tackle scalability and user experience challenges faced by existing blockchains, similar to what Solana strived to achieve. And SUI is another layer 1 blockchain that utilizes a unique direct acrylic graph or a DAG structure and its own move programming language to enable high-speed parallel transaction execution. Now, the DAG-based architecture allows SUI to achieve sub-second finality in horizontal scalability, meaning it can increase its capacity as more nodes join the network. So this structure combined with Move provides a safe and efficient environment for smart contract development, ensuring security and flexibility for developers. And SUI's consensus mechanism differs from traditional proof-of-stake systems. It uses a narwhal and tusk consensus protocol, which separates data availability from transaction validation, enabling ultra-fast and high-secure processing. So I know this sounds complicated, but this approach allows the network to handle up to 710,000 transactions per second in ideal scenarios, making it one of the fastest blockchains in development. And similar to Solana, SUI aims to minimize costs and environmental impact, with each transaction fee being negligible and a low overall energy consumption footprint. So this makes SUI a strong contender in the blockchain space for developers and projects looking to build scalable, user-friendly, decentralized applications. SUI supports a broad range of decentralized apps, DeFi projects, NFTs, and gaming applications, and its robust architecture and developer-centric tools make it an attractive platform for building innovative Web3 projects, positioning SUI as a powerful alternative to other blockchains like Solana or Ethereum. So now that we've introduced both blockchains, let's see how they stack up against each other and which one might have the competitive edge. So the first thing we need to compare is speed and scalability. Solana is incredibly fast. If you guys have used the Solana blockchain before, processing up to 65,000 transactions per second in an ideal environment. Now, the transactions per second are obviously lower than that, but they say up to 65,000. Currently, it's like, I think 2,000 or 3,000, but it's known for quick and low-cost transactions. And if you ever use the Solana blockchain, it's very, very fast, making it ideal for applications that need real-time performance like trading platforms. And SUI claims to be even faster, with the potential to handle over 700,000 transactions per second under perfect conditions, of course. This means SUI might handle more users and applications as it grows, which could make it the better option for larger scale projects. So if speed is your top priority, SUI has the competitive edge due to its ability to handle more transactions in parallel, but in real world usage, Solana's speed has already been proven. Now, number two that we need to compare is ecosystem and adoption. Solana has been around for longer, so obviously it already has a strong ecosystem with many decentralized applications, DeFi projects, and NFT platforms building on it, and it's well established and widely used by different developers and users. And so if you go to DeFiLlama.com and you click on chains, you will see that Solana has about 164 protocols at the time making this video listed, whereas SUI only has 40 listed. So SUI is newer and still building its ecosystem, but it's backed by a team with experience at Meta. So there's a lot of potential for growth, especially in gaming and Web3 applications, as gaming absolutely explodes this bull run in the crypto space. And if we look at the 1 month change in total value locked, SUI is up over 60% the past month, with over 1 billion in total value locked. And if you look at the chart in terms of TVL, the chart just passed the all-time high. It's in an uptrend, and Solana is up roughly 16% with over $5 billion in total value locked. So total value locked refers to the total amount of assets typically measured in US dollars that are currently being staked, loaned, or otherwise invested in a blockchain's decentralized finance protocols, smart contracts, or applications, and it represents the total capital users have committed to these platforms, such as liquidity pools, lending protocols, or staking mechanisms. And a higher TVL shows greater user confidence and adoption, but it doesn't always mean that the underlying cryptocurrency will see higher upside in terms of price, because once a chain reaches its peak in value locked and market cap at the end of the bull run, and then we see the TVL drop. And so you have to be very careful on when you're investing in a cryptocurrency just based on total value locked and market cycles. That's why it's important to subscribe to this channel to get an in-depth analysis on where we are in the macro market cycle, whether we're in a bull run or whether we're in a bear market, because during a bull run, newer projects that have a lower total value lock that are in uptrends can see higher upside. And this is why SUI has been outperforming virtually every other layer 1 blockchain. So while Solana has the edge in terms of ecosystem size right now and a larger total value locked, SUI's TVL is growing faster, which in my opinion gives it the competitive edge over Solana. Now, the third thing we need to compare is the costs and the fees. Solana's transaction fees are extremely low, and usually they're just like a fraction of a penny compared to Ethereum, and that's where Solana beat Ethereum and was coined the Ethereum killer, and where all the content creators were going out there and making videos about the transaction costs and the speed and all of that stuff, whereas SUI is also designed to keep costs low, so fees should stay minimal even as the network grows. So both blockchains have very low fees, so there's really no clear winner here. They're both designed to be affordable, and if a whale is going to make $1 million transaction, like I don't think they're really going to complain about paying like a 5-cent or an 8-cent fee. So in my opinion, this is a tie here between the two. So the fourth thing we need to compare is tokenomics and market potential. Solana has a total supply of around 500 million SOL and an unlimited max supply, meaning new tokens can be continuously created through staking rewards and validator incentives, making it inherently inflationary. However, a portion of transaction fees are burnt, which means they're permanently removed from circulation, creating also a deflationary effect that reduces the total supply over time and can help support the price. So this burn mechanism helps counteract inflation by introducing scarcity. So as more transactions occur on the network, more SOL tokens are burned, potentially balancing or even outpacing the creation of new tokens. And the circulating supply of Solana is around 469 million, or roughly 80% of the total supply currently. And according to their token unlock schedule, over 90% of tokens held by the team, early seed, strategic, and funding round investors have already been unlocked, which is great. So by the end of this bull run, the supply of Solana will be roughly around 600 million tokens, and the fully diluted valuation is around 83 billion, and the market cap is roughly $67 billion. So that's not too big of a difference between market cap and FDV, and Solana holders can also earn staking rewards up to 7.5% APY through platforms like Jito.network, providing incentives for users to lock up their tokens and secure the network. So this allows you to unlock liquidity on your staked SOL to use across DeFi, and you always keep custody of your funds. Now, SUI's tokenomics show a fixed max supply of 10 billion tokens, meaning no new tokens will be created beyond this limit. All 10 billion tokens have already been minted, so the total supply is equal to the max supply. The circulating supply, however, is around 2.7 billion, which is roughly 27% of the max supply. And according to their token unlock schedule on CoinMarketCap, it will take roughly until 2069 for all 10 billion tokens to be in circulation. But we don't have that much time. We want to know what's going to happen in this bull run. And currently, over 70% of tokens are still locked for early contributors, Series A, Series B, and other investors. And this isn't the best news, because what we want to see is a large percentage of the token's total or max supply in circulation, and the majority of the tokens unlocked, because this creates a periodic dumping on the price over time as each unlock takes place. But depending on how quickly the overall crypto market is growing in terms of market cap and where we are in the market cycle, where we are in the bull run, this can offset these token unlocks if we are in a bull market, as investors would want to hold until the end of the bull run for larger gains rather than just dumping at low prices. And the fully diluted valuation for SUI is 4 times larger than the market cap at $20 billion. And the current market cap is roughly around $5 billion. So this also isn't the best news, because generally what we want to see is the market cap is close to the fully diluted as possible. And fully diluted simply means the total value of a cryptocurrency if all possible tokens, which is the max supply, were in circulation at the current market price. And so it's important because it gives a sense of the project's potential valuation and helps investors gauge whether the current price is overvalued or undervalued based on the future availability of tokens and the unlock schedule. And so a large difference between the current market cap and the fully diluted valuation suggests that a significant number of tokens are yet to be released or unlocked, which could potentially lead to price dilution when these tokens enter circulation. Now, while staking rewards may still distribute tokens from the existing supply, there won't be any additional inflation by minting new tokens to the max supply. So this makes SUI a more stable asset in terms of max supply, with no risk of future inflation diluting the max supply. And SUI holders can also earn APY like Solana holders can by staking their tokens with validators or participating in DeFi protocols such as Navi Protocol to lock up their tokens and support the network's growth to earn APY up to 20% right now while the protocol is new. So this APY will obviously decrease over time as the total value locked grows on Navi Protocol. 20% is very high. So this is going to diminish as the market cap grows as well too. So overall, in terms of tokenomics, Solana wins here because it has a higher percentage of its total supply already in circulation, reducing the risk of significant price impact from future unlocks. And while SUI's locked tokens could create selling pressure as they gradually enter the market and go into circulation, Solana's more mature supply distribution and deflationary burn mechanism offers a stronger foundation for price stability moving forward. So this makes Solana a safer option in terms of tokenomics, especially during market upswings. However, if SUI can continue to attract liquidity and users while managing its token unlocks, it may still have a chance to deliver higher returns for early investors. So it's not the end of the world here, because this brings me to number 5, which is price history and price predictions. Solana is currently hovering between $140 to $150, while SUI is around $2. And many new crypto investors mistakenly believe that a lower price means higher upside, but this isn't true, because price alone does not indicate whether an asset is undervalued or overvalued, because it's crucial to understand tokenomics behind each project, such as supply, market cap, token unlocks, to get a clear picture. So focusing only on price without considering these factors is why many investors end up losing money and holding the wrong projects for too long. So the formula to get the price is by taking the market cap and dividing it by the circulating supply. So if a token has a rapid unlock schedule to inflate the circulating supply, then the market cap would need to be much larger to keep the same price over time due to the increase in circulating supply. So if there is no new growth in liquidity, then the price could see suppression and even go down as more of the max supply is released into circulation. So taking into account the token unlock schedule this bull run, in order for Solana to do a 10x and go to around $1,400, the market cap would need to be over $650 billion at the current circulating supply, considering no new tokens going into circulation. Now, considering the inflation, by December of 2025, the market cap would need to be roughly $680 billion. So Ethereum last bull run got up to $550 billion. So it's not impossible for Solana to do that, but it's a big stretch from where the market cap is right now. That's a good chunk of money for just one cryptocurrency, considering there's lots more cryptocurrencies this bull run cycle. So there is an even bigger dilution in terms of more money in the markets, but yet there's more projects, and not counting it out. But I think Solana still has a 5 to 8x in it this bull run, putting it around $700 to $1,000 at the peak. Now, SUI has a market cap of $5.4 billion currently, and in order for SUI to do a 10x with the current circulating supply, the market cap would need to be roughly $55 billion. Now, keep in mind, Solana's current market cap is roughly almost $70 billion. So $55 billion for SUI is definitely possible. And at the peak of the 2021 bull run, Solana got up to nearly $80 billion in market cap. And there was even more liquidity sloshing around this bull run cycle. So by December of 2025, SUI's circulating supply will be roughly $3.7 billion from all of the unlocks, which is $1 billion more than it is right now, which is significantly more than Solana's unlocks. And in order for SUI to do a 10x with that circulating supply, the market cap would need to be around $75 billion. So that's right around where Solana got to last bull run. So from SUI's current price and market cap, I think SUI can get anywhere between $20 and $30, which would be a 10 to a 15x conservatively, making it the winner of this comparison. So after comparing Solana and SUI across various factors like speed, scalability, ecosystem growth, costs, and tokenomics, SUI emerges as the winner in terms of potential to 10x faster in 2025. And while Solana's established ecosystem makes it larger, and Solana, I think, is still going to do well this bull run, and smart investors have it in their portfolio, SUI's rapid growth, lower market cap, and early stage momentum give it more room for explosive gains. However, this is just my personal opinion based on current market analysis. And remember, I do hold SUI in my portfolio. I shared SUI as a top pick in our private Telegram group when it was around $1.17. So if you want to receive our top altcoin picks before they explode, before we make videos about them, then make sure you visit bullrunners.com and join our early bird list. You just simply click the button in the description of this video, enter in your best email address to get notified first when we release our crypto education platform, and you're going to get instant access to our private Telegram group to get our top altcoin picks, market analysis, and value-based videos like this. Now, I am personally buying SUI still, even at the current prices, but I'm putting even more money into the top projects and protocols on the SUI ecosystem. And if you want to see what those projects are, even going down to the lowest microcap gems like meme coins, then I'll leave another link in the description of this video to a SUI playlist where you can watch covering the top 10 projects on the SUI blockchain that will make millionaires this bull run cycle. So remember, always consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't buy or sell any of the cryptocurrencies we talk about, because these videos are just purely for education and informational purposes only. And finally, let me know in the comments below which cryptocurrencies you want us to review next. Do you think SUI will outperform Solana, or do you have another altcoin in mind that could be the next big thing? So drop your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, ding the bell notification so you don't miss out on all future updates. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.